So what I'm doing is you can use either your hands like this or like this, but you're very soft with your hands. The movement really comes from your chest, and you just kind of bring your arms together, your hands together a little bit.
Okay.
And you're always looking for what's easy. So I'm not like just doing this to her. I'm kind of asking like, oh, do your ribs come together here? And now she made it easier for me because she turned her head a little bit. So I'm going to encourage that, right? Because that's one of the things we're working on, is that when she turns her head, that she actually involves this part of her body, right? So use those opportunities. And so I like that she's slightly bent this way, so I can show her that, yes,
Your ribs
these
actually
ribs
do come together.
Can actually come together, exactly. And then you just, always release slowly. And then you can go to several places on her rib cage. And just release. That's it. That's better. So now she's already better here. In other words, there was more movement there, and you're never forcing. It's just you're asking, can you do this? And now I'm going to see if she can, good girl, good, if she can lengthen on this side. So I'm going to just take my hands apart a little bit. And she seems perfectly comfortable with that. So you always, you're always looking and checking in. Now that's even good too, because when she looks the other way, I want these ribs to spread, right?
Yeah.
So again, it's encouraging her, okay, use your whole body when you turn. That's it. Good girl. Boy, she's being very cooperative, turning her head in the right, correct direction all the time. Okay, so when she comes here, I'm going to ask a little more. That's it. Ooh, this is so much better. Good, good. Now, if I wanted to give her, like her nervous system, a little bit of a novelty approach, I can actually do the ribs opposite to how her head is turning. Now she's pretty straight, so I can do either one, but oh, look at this now. Can you see that?
Yeah.
There's much more give there. Good. But you could, if you wanted, like say she turns her head to the left, so that would be away from us.
Instead of spreading,
And
bring
instead,
them.
I can actually bring them together, so her nervous system has to go, okay, what's going on? And then you'll find that the movement will be better. And she'll be more likely to do the biomechanically appropriate thing.